Hey, I recently moved into this apartment and I wanted to keep it nice and clean, so I got these microfiber towels right here. They're the Zwipes, and I got them for three reasons basically. Number one, it's a nice convenient bulk pack. Number two, they're really nice big towels. They're a lot bigger than the microfiber towels I can get at my local dollar store, which always end up being too small for me. And number three, I like that they're multicolored so I can organize them based on what I'm using them for according to color. All right, let's get these open and see what they're actually like on the inside. Now, I've never used these before, and right away I can tell that they're really quite soft. They're definitely not the softest microfiber towels that I've ever used, but I'm not too concerned with that because I'm not going to be like polishing wine glasses with them. I'm going to be cleaning up. I actually want to see these really nice microfiber hooks right here. They look like they're pretty big. They're going to pick up a lot of dust, a lot of dirt. They feel like they're soft yet grippy, and they feel like they're going to do a good job. So let's actually put them to use because they feel really squishy. They say that they hold 8 times their own weight in water, and it kind of feels like, yeah, they probably will just based on how much they squish. Got a bowl of water here. I have no idea how much it weighs compared to this, but I'm just going to dip it in and then squeeze it out and see how much it actually holds. So let's see. Okay, feels like it has a lot there. Oh yeah, took up a lot of water. Yeah, that holds up a lot of water. It feels like it's going to be really easy to clean with after this as well. So as you can see from my sink and the surrounding area, I'm a disgusting slob, so let's use this and a mild detergent to clean it up and see how well it does. All right, I say that looks pretty darn good. What do you think? So I think it really did a good job, and I like that it's a big rag, like I was saying earlier, because it gives me a lot of surface area to clean with, because even with just a sink like this, that's still quite a lot to clean right there. Looks like my mirror's pretty dirty too. I told you I'm disgusting. Let's get it cleaned up. That looks great. Got up like all the dust and everything. Perfect. It's exactly what I needed. And I'm also going to use it to clean my TV with distilled water and another dry cloth. Or how about how well it wiped my couch clean for me? I've used it to clean my wood coffee table, and I even rolled one up like a hot towel to pretend I'm on an airplane washing my hands and face. And in every instance, they did the job really well, and I'll have no concern about using them again. So overall, I'd say that these wipes are good for anyone who needs a microfiber towel and wants to organize them by color. And if there's any negatives to them, I don't know, maybe they could have came in 4 colors instead of 3.